So when should you use group join versus group join plus a select many method? So let's have a look at our code here. And here what you can see is a list of people, and these people have pets. So here you can see owner 1, for example, has 2 pets. So that's Alice, and owner 2, which is Bob, has 1 pet, but Charlie has no pets. So what we want to do is we want to have an output like this, which is Alice. It's shown like here, grouped list per person. So we want to see Alice's pet, Fluffy Spike, Bob's pet, Gordy, and no pets for Charlie. The other method we could use is using the select many. So here what we're doing is if a person has 2 pets, then we want to print 2 rows for them. And if Bob has only 1 pet, then only 1 row, and no pets, then you just get the person's name and a message to say no pets. So here the aim is 1 row per person pet. So what we want is 1 row per person with a list of pets versus group join plus select many, which allows for 1 row per person pet pair. So group join will allow us one grouped output. When you want to flatten the rows, then you want to use group join plus select many. So the output that you would get is like this. So let's examine the code. So the group join, what it will do is it will take the outer collection, which is people, joining against the inner collection of pets on the following 2 keys, and give us an output of person and person's pets. And from the person object, we want to get the name, and from the person pets, we want to convert that to a list. So this would give us our group join without the use of select many. And then we're just going to loop through, print the results using the join method. But with select many, what we want to do is pretty much the same thing. So you can see group join stays pretty much the same, but the select many after the group join method is going to create a new anonymous object. And for each row of the data coming into this temp variable, we want to print the person's name, and if they do not have any pets, then we want to print no pets. So this is the output that we're getting. Basically it's per row, so it's creating 2 rows for Alice, whereas previously using only group join it doesn't do that. So here, and the results are stored in flat result, and then we are just simply looping through and printing out the output. So you can see here this is different to what we did here. We had to add some logic within our for each loop, but by using select many, we are doing part of that logic up here, and then the for each becomes simpler. We're just basically looping through the results here.